take out the factory box with these. On these newer ones, they have studs here. We actually have to grind these off so the box sits down. You can do that with a Dremel, cut-off wheel, whatever you feel comfortable with. Just make sure you cover up the carpet and the side panels, that way it doesn't get ruined. On the older versions, I believe it was a capture nut down there.
In this application, we really need to pull the seats out because the box, you can't just slide it back and down. The top is too wide, so you have to angle it with a 125-pound box.
Yeah.
Plus these expensive subs. Unbolt it all, and I would back the truck out and get 3 or 4 of us, and let's carefully get this thing out of the truck.
Oh, well, it means we gotta unplug that module.
Yeah. Which I think is just for like the heated seats and stuff.
Yeah.
You lay it all flat, and you bolt this back. At least put the bolts back in, and then you'll flip the whole seat up, and we'll slide it out.
Let's see. This unplugs. This is what goes to this module.
Mm-hmm.
And then Miles has got his side unplugged. So then lay these down and you'll get your back bolts. Okay.